Gotta get that police car there. Now, I know that Stanwix over here has a certain look to it. Man, what did they do down here? Oh my God! What is this dumb shit? Is this something Bill Peduto did so people could ride bicycles?
Big thanks to the Pittsburgh police. They're watching the live stream right now on their phone.
Oh, wow! Are you kidding me? I'm sure like NYC has stuff like this. This is Pittsburgh's version of it. I like everybody in these northeastern cities too. Like, you'll start filming people and they'll stop in the middle of it. Yo, take my picture! Like, I am right now, bro.